Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Toon Link's outfit in Tears of the Kingdom. First, you will need the Toon Link Amiibo. This collectible figure, specifically from the Wind Waker series, is essential for unlocking the unique in-game rewards. Once you have it, you can scan it within the game to receive exclusive items, including the iconic hero of Wind's armor set. It's a straightforward process to bring a piece of classic adventure into your current journey. To scan your Amiibo, simply open the game's menu and navigate to the Amiibo option. Next, select an empty Amiibo rune slot to activate the scanner. Then, carefully place your Toon Link Amiibo on the designated scan spot, usually near your controller's NFC reader. The game will register the Amiibo, and your rewards will appear in the world. This quick action is your gateway to new gear and resources. Upon a successful scan, you will immediately receive the complete hero of Wind's armor set. This includes the distinctive cap of the Wind, the tunic of the Wind, and the trousers of the Wind, perfectly replicating Toon Link's classic look. Additionally, you will often find a selection of useful materials and even some unique weapons, providing a significant boost to your inventory. Each scan offers a chance for these valuable items. Once you have the hero of Wind's armor set, you can further enhance its capabilities. Take your new gear to any great fairy fountain located across the land. There, you can upgrade each piece, significantly boosting its defense rating and providing additional benefits. You will need to gather specific materials, such as star fragments and various monster parts, to complete these upgrades. This ensures your Toon Link outfit is not just stylish, but also powerful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.